Yes. Say your story, baby.
No, I don't like to. Okay, once upon a time, there was one elves and fairies live in a castle and a tree. Trees are supposed to be normal, and then elves could come out and live in the new castle.
Then after?
After that, the elves and fairy went.
And then?
That's end the story.
That's the end of the story.
Yeah.
You have another story?
No.
You don't have another story?
No.
We don't finish this. You should finish this. And then, what are you doing? What are you doing? My God. What did you do yesterday? That's online dancing? Then, what did you do?
My Hedda and he went to the castle.
Castle. You're
Yeah.
dancing online dancing with your teacher. What is that? Yesterday, you dance or you're crying?
Crying.
You crying? Why are you crying, baby? You should dance. Okay? After, you want to go to school? When you want to go?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We're not going tomorrow. We'll wait for the lockdowns open. Yeah? Yes or no, baby? You're my baby. Baby, baby. Say hi, baby. Say hi. What's your name? I said. I forgot, baby. What's your
My
name?
name is Amber.
Amber. How old are you, baby? How old are you? 4. Oh, yes. Are you a big now?
Yeah.
You're growing now. What did you drink, baby? Oh, yo, my goodness. You drank so full. Yeah? You're eating what, baby? What is
Lollipop.
that? Lollipop. Where are we now?
Qatar.
Qatar. And now, where are we? Sitting on